Are you afraid to do email marketing because it's just too time-consuming to write individual emails to every single person on your list? Well, pay close attention because in this video, I'm going to introduce to you a time-saving tool where you can write one email and send it out to everyone on your email list with just a few clicks of the mouse. So stay tuned. Hi, Dr. Lisa Thompson here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button to let you know when I create a new video. Now, you're probably thinking that email marketing is just too time-consuming to write one email to every single person on your email list. I get that because I felt the exact same way you did when I first got started with my online marketing business. Then I was introduced to a time-saving tool that helps simplify my email marketing. It's called an autoresponder. What is an autoresponder? An autoresponder is nothing more than a service that stores your email addresses and automatically sends out email messages to your email list. Here's how this process works. When someone opts into your email list, the autoresponder will automatically add that email address to your list and then send out emails for you no matter what time of the day your subscriber opts into your email list. All you need to do is write one email, upload it to your autoresponder, tell the autoresponder when you want that email sent out, and the autoresponder will do all the rest. Using an autoresponder is not considered spam for three key reasons. Reason number one is that it's permission-based marketing. And what I mean by that is that when people opt into your email list, they are choosing to give you their email address so that you can follow up with them via email. The second reason is that when you use an autoresponder, it is personal. Using an autoresponder, they don't send out emails in bulk so that when your subscriber reads your email, it feels like it came directly from you. And the third reason is that the autoresponder gives the person an option to unsubscribe from your email list. When you upload your email to your autoresponder, the autoresponder will automatically add an unsubscribe link so that that person can unsubscribe from your list at any time. And when that person clicks on that unsubscribe link, the autoresponder will automatically remove them from your email list and will no longer receive any emails from you. Think of your autoresponder as the perfect follow-up tool. You can create and upload several follow-up emails to your autoresponder, which can be sent out to your email list at different times to help build trust and rapport, and more importantly, condition your email list to buy from you and only you. Can you see how having an autoresponder can simplify your email marketing? If so, let me know in the comments section. Now make sure you watch the next video as I'm going to share with you how to select the right autoresponder that will meet your business needs and your budget.